Your business is hemorrhaging money. You're bleeding money right now through your marketing efforts. We're going to make it stop today on Brian Sells Words. Get to you after the jump. Peace. How to stop the bleeding. Financially, marketing is one of the things that a lot of businesses spend tons of money on and don't get much return. And they've been conditioned by these big box, big budget marketing agencies that try to give everybody big box, big budget marketing solutions for their small business. And when it doesn't work, a lot of businesses go out of business because they can't afford it. And that's really the tragedy of it, because there is a better way. And so I'm going to tell you in this video why I believe direct response marketing is the path to grow your business. Direct response marketing. What is direct response marketing? Direct response marketing is exactly what it sounds like. It's creating an offer, getting people to respond to it, and then marketing to the people that respond to your offer. If you've ever watched an infomercial for some kind of new cooker or some kind of skincare product or a piece of exercise equipment, you have watched direct response marketing. Magazines have used direct response marketing for years. Newspapers, any kind of publication is direct response marketing. Anything that says, here's some piece of value. If you want it, I need your contact information. That is direct response marketing. It's very simple. Indirect marketing requires nothing of the client. They don't have to take any effort. They don't have to do any kind of outreach. They don't have to download anything. They don't have to provide any detail or any information to the business. All they got to do is just show up. And that's a luxury that a lot of small businesses can't afford unless they got in early or the big dog in town or one of a kind. It's most times they don't have the clients to just show up without being targeted or anything. And so direct response marketing allows you to target who your audience is. Now, here's the rub with it. If you're doing direct response marketing, you got to know who your clients are. You have to take the time to learn who this specific product is aimed at. Otherwise, you're going to fall right into that rabbit hole of trying to serve everybody. And when you serve everybody, you know what the deal is. You serve nobody. So, why you need direct response marketing in your business? 1, accountability. Direct response marketing allows you to easily track your marketing. It allows you to keep track of numbers that you're going to need so that you're gonna know exactly who is replying to your offer. You're gonna know, okay, I put X amount in for this marketing piece. I got this many responses back. Out of those responses, I was able to convert this many to clients. So you have a pretty straight line to see this marketing effort created this many clients. It holds the dollar accountable. It's not just throwing it in the wind and hoping it lands somewhere valuable. 2, flexibility. Direct response marketing can be a number of ways. You can do YouTube spots with an 800 number that people call for a free report. You can do a landing page that gives people a checklist of things related to the product you're selling. 10 things blah 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 won't tell you. They put in their email address, they click send, the PDF is downloaded to their device, you have their email. Now you can contact them, you can email them with better offers that are aligned with whatever product that you offered for their email. I hope that made sense. Intent. Direct response marketing allows you to get clients that have higher intent. We talked about it in the Facebook versus Google ads, the ad wars video, up here, wherever the card shows up. Intent is important. You want high intent clients. You want people that are interacting with you and they're in the mode to buy. If you have direct response marketing, people have already shown the intention. They're interested in what you're offering. So now you just need to take that extra step. They have the intention of doing business in most cases if you put the right offer in front of them. You don't get that with indirect marketing. You just got to show it. With indirect marketing, your marketing just kind of happens to them wherever they are in their station in life, and you got to hope that they're interested enough to take the step to come and contact you. It also, direct response marketing, it allows you to keep better records because you hold on to the clients that come and interact with you. A lot of, McDonald's has just gotten around to this with their app where you have to sign in for your email, put your email address in there, and then you get offers. So they're even starting to see the power of some direct response marketing techniques so that they can email you new offers. Any kind of rewards program at a supermarket, Target, Walmart, anything like that where they require your email address, they're doing some level of direct response marketing because now they have your contact information. They have, a lot of times they'll have your address. They can mail you stuff that aligns with what your interests are. So don't be fooled. Even the big time indirect marketers are using direct response marketing so they know it's powerful because direct response marketing allows you to keep track of your clients. So you can take one-time clients and make them into 12-time clients. You're not always having to find new clients every time you roll out a new product. And it allows you to test out products too, because you can test a product with a small segment of your client base, see how well it goes, get feedback from them, take that product back to the drawing board and re-release it to the broad audience. And you know if it's a winner or a loser, straight up. It's lower cost. Because it holds your dollar accountable, you're not just stepping out and throwing a big bag of money up into the air and letting the wind carry it wherever it goes. You are narrowly focusing what you're spending your money on. Very powerful. You're focusing on marketing to people that are likely to buy from you. And it seems like a simple concept, but I swear a lot of marketers don't do that. They don't target. They say, we're going to paint a big billboard about your business on the side of the road, and whoever drives by, we're going to hope that they're interested enough in your product to make a purchase decision. And sometimes that works. A lot of times, specifically with small businesses that are doing unique kind of business, it's not. It's dead on arrival because they don't know enough about you, and you don't stick out enough because you haven't given them any value, so you're not memorable to them yet. People don't make decisions about your business until they've actually experienced your service. Once they've experienced how fantastic your service is, then they make a decision. But you can spend all the money in the world on fantastic graphics and state-of-the-art website design and all this other stuff. People don't care until they actually interact with your business and get your services. I'm sorry. It kind of flies in the face of a lot of brand-driven marketing, but it's the truth. And I know appearances, in this world of social media and everything, people put a lot of stock in appearances, but when it comes to money, people like the proven article. They like things that they've interacted with that have given them value. They're more likely to spend money with you. And so in the long run, it does save you money because you're not just throwing money out there and hoping people react and respond to it. History. Direct response marketing has a long history behind it. I'm not going to do a full, write-up of it. Maybe if there's enough interest in this video, I'll do some research and maybe put together kind of the history of direct response marketing. But I'll just tell you, you encounter direct response marketing so much you don't even think about it. Anything that takes your email address and emails you is direct response marketing. Anything where you have to call a specific number to order a product and provide your mailing address, that is direct response marketing. There's a lot of apps that are using direct response marketing. There's a lot of small businesses using direct response marketing. A lot of people who are doing Amazon fulfillment stuff. If they have private label products, if you don't know, I'll explain that in another video. But if they're making their own products to sell on Amazon, most of them have mailing lists. So when they release a new product, they can just send it out to that mailing list and say, here's the link for it. Sign up if you're interested, and we'll send one out to you so you can test it out. That's direct response marketing. Anything that gets a response from your clients first. before the next marketing message comes out, so that you can figure out who's interested in what, and you can handcraft a marketing message specific to their interests. That's direct response marketing. So a lot of businesses are wasting a ton of money on indirect marketing, and it breaks my heart to see people that have good ideas and they love their business and they love doing what they do and they love helping people, but they keep getting reeled in to these old not old, but these big box marketing solutions that don't work for anybody but million and billion-dollar companies. Billion-dollar companies, they can spend a lot on the kind of marketing where, we'll create a little funny commercial and we'll make people laugh at the Super Bowl, because they know that commercial isn't going to make somebody jump up and say, I must go have a Bud Light. They know that commercial is really trying to be in their memory, be memorable for them. And, hopefully when they're in the store, they use the name association to buy Bud Light. But it's not saying, hey, call this number, we'll send you a free case so you can try it out. If you like it, we'll send you some respond to this offer and we'll send you some coupons for your next purchase. That would be a direct response solution. And some big companies are coming around to it, and some of them have been doing it for years. They just don't really name it that. So anyway, direct response marketing in your business, those are the reasons why I think it's important. So number 1, it's accountable. Number 2, it's flexible. Number 3, it's intent. It makes people display their intent. You get higher intent purchases, higher intent clients. Number 4, am I on 4? Yeah, I'm on 4. Number 4, lower cost. Your dollars are accountable. They're not just flying out the window. 5, there's a lot of history proving its effectiveness. So that's what I got. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. Share this with a business owner. Share this with 2 business owners. Share this with people that aren't business owners. Share this with people who are considering to be business owners. Share this with people who may never be business owners. But the idea is share it if it means something to you, if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. I'm available for consultations. I will provide my website in the description down below. If you want to set up a time, you can shoot me an email. Email is bsellswords@gmail.com. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.